Hi guys, Lens here, and I have a Samsung Galaxy A20 and I am going to do a screen replacement. So the first thing that I am going to do, I am going to remove the screen. As you can see that the screen is in a very bad state. It is damaged beyond repair. I am going to show you how to replace your screen. The way this phone is situated, if you look at it, you can notice that it is a built-in battery with a fingerprint sensor and all of that. But I just want to let you know that the back of your phone can come off. There is a partition that you have to look for right here. Right, I'm actually using my finger nail to remove this, but first you will want to remove your SIM card tray. So let's go on and do that right now. And you can use any plastic tool basically to remove the back cover of your phone. Also, you'll want to do so in a careful manner. And the reason I'm saying this is because there's a ribbon at the back for the fingerprint scanner. So this is the back cover here. We can go right ahead and we can take off the connection for the fingerprint scanner. So the back cover is off. This is the back of the phone. And the next thing in which we have to do, we have to remove this metal piece here. This is holding down the ribbon for the screen as well. So let me go ahead and take off that metal piece. There's another screw here as well. So here we are. That's one screw there. That's two. And that's three. So we can then go ahead and remove this metal piece. That metal piece is covering up the different connection parts here. So we have the connection from this board here, which held the charging port. You can see the connection here, connected here, and this is the connection for the screen. What we are going to do as well, we are going to unplug the battery connection for now. And what we are going to do, we are going to remove the screen now. Seeing that this screen is already damaged, it can be quite easy to remove, and you can use a plastic tool. Normally when I remove phone screens, I normally heat up the screen, so you can see the back of the screen. So let's just go on, remove the screen. So we are also considering the ribbon for the screen. You can see where the ribbon is there. We just removed the screen successfully. And definitely guys, we have to remove the battery and remove the ribbon completely from the phone. So we are going to replace this. So guys, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove the battery, and I'm going to do so using pure plastic tools. So we need to remove the battery in order to get access to the cable. I'm going to try and get this underneath like this and try and get the battery lift upwards. This thing is very sealed down, glued down. If you can't get the battery removed, I suggest that you heat the front part of the middle frame. Try and get the battery up. So we removed the battery successfully, and here you can see that we have all the space to work. So what I am going to do, I am going to remove the pieces of glass from around the edges, and then we are going to apply the new screen. You'll have to ensure that you remove all the pieces of glass and also adhesive, so it will not be an obstacle in the way. So definitely we need to remove all those. So before we stick anything down, what we want to do is just want to do a test run to ensure that our new screen is working perfectly. So I am going to do a test run before sticking the screen down. So let's go right ahead and connect the ribbon. And we just need to connect the battery now, right guys? So let's run this up this way. Let's connect the battery, and we are going to do a test just to ensure that everything is working perfectly. So this is just, I'm going to plug up the charger, and we can see that the screen lights up and it is at 0%. So now that we tested the screen, we are going to put adhesive around the screen, the corners of the screen. That's what we are going to do, and I'll be using this adhesive. To do so, here's a brand new one. These are used for cell phone screens. So I am going to put the adhesive around, and you want to make sure that you don't put any in the middle where the camera is to go here. So you want to start here, and you want to start here as well. Also, you want to make sure that you put a little at this area here, right? I noticed with the original screen we have a black tape there, right? So we could put the same amount that we put around the screen due to the black tape. This is actually the original screen that we have, but due to this screen you can see that we don't have any tape here, so you'll want to put minimum adhesive here. The best thing to use actually is the adhesive tape, but if you notice, this is a aftermarket screen and they did not send this with any adhesive tape, so we are going to use adhesive glue. This is what we're doing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some in the corners of the screen as well. And also here, and there. So time for us to stick the screen, and this is what we're going to do. We are going to slide this through, starting from the top. We are going down for landing, down for landing, and then we need to make sure that we have all of this outwards. So let's go down. So here we are. Everything looks great, guys. And the ribbon is where it's supposed to be as well, so we're good to go. So we are ready. Let's connect the ribbon for the screen. So let's connect the battery. There we go. So this is it. Then you want to make sure that everything is okay. So let's go ahead, do a test, make sure everything is good. We are going to put back this metal piece in place, and we are going to put back in the 3 screws. So let's go. That's one. That's 2. And this is 3. So we need to put back on the back cover. First we need to connect the cable for the sensor, which is the connection is right here. So I just want you to see the connection is right here, and we are going to put back on the connection. The connection is back on, and we are going to put back on the back cover. Once you hear it clip, that means that everything is done properly, and just ensuring that everything is done. And for the symmetry, we put back this in perfect position as well. And this should be it, guys. We are finished. And let's go and turn the phone on for the first time after replacing the screen. Let's ensure that everything is working. This is a brand new screen, and also there's a plastic on the screen. We can pull this plastic off anytime we so desire. So this is it, guys. And it says that we must connect our charger, which I am going to do, just making sure everything is touching and that everything is working perfectly. As you can see, everything is working perfectly, guys. If this video was helpful to you, do like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. My name is Lens, and I'm out. I'll see you soon.